We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with the most comprehensive and balanced overview of the hand-operated mini drones, Fidget flying spinner with lights, UFO drone flying toys by GESUNDHOME. If you own this product, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This product is marketed as an easy-to-use, hand-operated mini drone designed for children aged 8 and up, as well as teens and adults looking for a fun, interactive toy. The GESUNDHOME hand-operated mini drone stands out for its simplicity of use, requiring only a press of the power button and a spin of the central axis before tossing it into the air. The drone responds to different throwing speeds and angles, which allows for a variety of flight paths, tricks, and high-speed maneuvers. This level of interactivity is one of the primary attractions for users, as it encourages experimentation and active play. A notable feature is the inclusion of multicolored LED lights. These lights add a visually engaging element, especially during nighttime play, making the drone not just a toy, but a glowing spectacle that enhances the fun of chasing and catching games. The lights are consistently mentioned as a highlight in user feedback, with many reviewers appreciating how they make the toy more appealing and exciting for children and adults alike. The drone is constructed from high-quality, non-toxic ABS plastic, which is designed to be both flexible and impact-resistant. The enclosed wheel design is not only aerodynamic, but also serves to protect the user's hands while spinning and catching the drone. This safety feature is particularly important for younger users and provides peace of mind for parents. The drone's build quality, while praised for its safety and lightweight feel, has received mixed feedback regarding durability. Some users report that the drone withstands minor bumps and drops without issue, while others have experienced malfunctions after minimal use, such as the drone turning on but failing to fly after a short period. Portability is another advantage, with the drone's compact dimensions making it easy to carry in a bag or pocket. The built-in rechargeable lithium battery is charged via a standard micro USB cable, requiring approximately 15 minutes of charging for around 10 minutes of flight time. This quick charge-to-play ratio is convenient for short bursts of play, but some users have expressed disappointment with the relatively brief flight duration and the need for frequent recharging during extended play sessions. From a usability perspective, the drone is designed to be beginner-friendly. Most users find the learning curve manageable, but several reviews indicate that it does take some practice to master the control and flight patterns. The drone's response to different throws can be unpredictable at first, and some users report a period of trial and error before achieving consistent results. This aspect can be both a positive and a negative depending on the user's patience and willingness to experiment. For children and adults who enjoy hands-on play and learning new tricks, the challenge is part of the appeal. However, those seeking immediate, effortless operation may find the initial learning phase frustrating. Performance feedback is varied. Many users describe the drone as wild and fun to play with, especially when used in a group or with a partner. The ability to toss the drone back and forth, perform tricks, and watch it light up in the air is often cited as a source of entertainment and engagement. Some reviewers mention that the drone can get caught in corners or shut off automatically when it encounters obstacles, but the device generally survives these incidents without breaking. This resilience is appreciated, though not universal, as there are reports of units ceasing to fly after only a few uses, despite no visible damage or hard crashes. Battery life and longevity are recurring themes in customer feedback. While the product promises multiple charges and extended play over days or weeks, some users have experienced battery failure or loss of flight capability after only a single charge or brief use. This inconsistency in product lifespan is a significant drawback, with a number of reviewers expressing disappointment that their units stopped working prematurely. Others, however, report weeks of reliable performance and multiple successful recharges, suggesting that quality control may vary between individual units. The drone's appeal as a gift is frequently mentioned. It is positioned as an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions, suitable for boys, girls, and teens within the recommended age range. Grandparents, parents, and friends have given the drone as a gift and noted the recipient's enjoyment. The toy's novelty, combined with its interactive features and glowing lights, makes it a memorable and engaging present. In terms of versatility, the drone is suitable for indoor play in rooms or dorms, as well as outdoor use in calm weather. Its lightweight construction means it is best suited for use in areas free from strong winds or heavy obstacles. The drone can be used solo for practicing tricks or in groups for games of catch and chase. Some users have found creative uses, such as using the spinning motion to create a cooling breeze, adding a playful twist to its functionality. Safety is a key consideration, and the enclosed wheel design effectively minimizes the risk of injury from spinning blades. The ABS material is non-toxic, and the device is light enough to avoid causing damage to furniture or walls during normal use. However, supervision is recommended for younger children, particularly during the initial learning phase, to ensure safe and responsible play. A few reviewers mentioned that the drone's controls can be finicky, with the device sometimes spinning unpredictably or failing to respond as expected. This can be attributed to the sensitivity of the sensors and the need for precise throwing angles. While this unpredictability adds an element of challenge and excitement for some users, it may be a source of frustration for others who prefer more consistent performance. The drone's ranking on Amazon reflects its popularity and mixed reception. It holds a place among the top 100,000 toys and games and is ranked within the top 400 fidget spinners. With an average customer rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars based on over 900 reviews, the product has a solid but not outstanding reputation. Positive reviews highlight the fun factor, ease of use, and visual appeal, while negative reviews focus on durability issues and inconsistent performance. To summarize the pros, the GESUNDHOME hand-operated mini drone offers an engaging, interactive experience with its easy-to-use controls, multicolored LED lights, and safe, enclosed design. It is portable, quick to charge, and suitable for a wide age range, making it an appealing gift option for children and teens. The drone encourages active play, creativity, and social interaction, whether used solo or in a group setting. On the downside, the product's durability and battery life are inconsistent, with some units failing after minimal use. The brief flight time per charge and need for frequent recharging may limit extended play sessions. The learning curve for mastering flight control can be steep for some users, and the drone's responsiveness may vary depending on the throwing technique and environment. Overall, the hand-operated mini drone by GESUNDHOME is a fun and innovative toy that delivers on its promise of interactive, glowing flight for children and teens. Its strengths lie in its ease of use, visual appeal, and safety features, while its weaknesses are primarily related to durability and battery life. For those seeking a unique, entertaining gadget for short bursts of play, this drone is a worthwhile consideration. However, potential buyers should be aware of the possibility of inconsistent performance and lifespan, as reflected in the diverse range of user reviews. If you have experience with this product, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Thank you for considering the GESUNDHOME hand-operated mini drone as your next fun and interactive gadget.